Super Rugby Women's. And we are underway. Fijian Drua kick-off to the Western Force.
Set, up.
Strong scrum from the Drua. They're going through the middle of the Force.
Advantage.
Now the advantage comes.
Green.
So Drua through and they're over. Nice Sewa, far too easily crosses. Leonard wins it down in the Force, making good meters. They're keen to strike back. They are
Backwards,
over the line. They drop the pill.
no.
Backwards
On
the
the
call.
line, on the
They
line,
are still
hands
alive. Jones waved off it. Nagama on her own. Support there now. Nagama scores. The Force hit back. Yamanaka, Freeman, Tapsell, just straightening and driving those legs. Queuing up in the middle for the Force, Jones. Strong run to Mika Jones! Brilliant from the young star. Drua, eyes darting, looking for the ball. Yamanaka frees it out. Tapsell taking on a few. Tapsell taking on half the team. And Tapsell driving over the top. Breaking that first tackle, almost keen to reach out. Drua, they're over. Have they got it down? The Force tried to stop them. Tapsell wrestles to ground. Nagama skipped. Okay. Late contact was okay. The Force had Ivani Balecki. Too much room to work with, and the Force, another try. Recruited
Inside. Keep moving
to
back.
the Fiji 7 side, straight out of high school. Represented Fiji 7 side at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. And 2 tries so far this season for the Western Force. Pomare. Room to work with. Look at the pace of Adivani Balecki. Tasolo's in trouble. Balecki overruns it. Pomare does not. The Western Force are dominating the Drua.
Well, the Western Force have certainly found their groove. It's tries galore in this opening half.
Picked up by Yamanaka at the 22.
Wait.
Smith. Thank you, Joyce.
Okay, it's a lifting tackle. It's gone past horizontal. They've landed on their shoulder, okay? It's a yellow card.
Western Force with a healthy advantage. Kick into the stands, and Western Force at half-time, 33. Lead Fijian Drua 14. Anna Korovata is on for Fijian Drua in jersey 17. Keep an eye across a few of the other changes as they come through.
Stay there. Okay, use it.
Ball's there. Korovata is over.
On the line. Try.
By weight of presence, Fijian Drua.
Ball's available.
Yamanaka just shuffling Korovata out of the way. Jeez. The contact at the defensive line has been something else all afternoon. Where's the Abbage?
Okay, hands off. Step back.
Rolling up towards the 22. Pomare with support. Freeman going herself and steps back towards the posts. The Force against the run of play. A big strike in the second half.
Well, it was patient, composed play from the Western Force, just chipping away at this Drua.
Tapsell.
No, 7, no. Clear release. No, leave it. You're offside. 20, 11. Keep moving back. Okay.
Nkosi, time to gather and wind up, and that she does. Nkosi just about through. She had some speed on the outside. Nkosi running 3/4 of the length of the field is over.
Individual brilliance, Aloisi Nkosi, to keep her team in this game, to fight back.
Time on.
And there they go, to the front to Michaela Leonard.
No,
now
18
Masters
now,
can
18.
get towards the back of this. They sprint it away. Masters to Leonard, unopposed. Drua Keen to get set and lend every player to stopping this force maul.
Keep it up.
Nawama is at the back. Masters now grabs the ball. She is over. A penalty try, the decision. 7 points to Western Force. And they keep their season well and truly
Number
alive.
16.
Well, the Drua,
Number
they're going to
16.
see a yellow card here. It was just
Side
one
entry.
infringement too many. Ashley Masters thrown in the deep end. Her old stomping ground in hooker, and
Look at the urgency. Keen to play. Akore!
Shorts, on the line. On the line.
Drua, they're over and down. They hit back almost instantly. Afui back, Leddington into touch. As the siren sounds, and that'll do it for the Western Force. A big, big win for them in their 2025 season. They beat the Drua and put themselves towards a finals berth.